Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I would love to join your squad as an SEO keyword research specialist. I always follow the update format which including GEO and AEO based keywords. I go through the keyword research process and I think keyword research is a process where I will find out all possible keywords for your business or local SEO. I will focus on geo and location based keywords. My process is very simple. I will start with business understanding and brainstorming. I need to know all about your business. What are you selling? Why are you selling? What are your targeted audience? And a noticeable thing I will be to find out all possible keywords that people search for your business. I will analyze your top 5 competitors, then find out their keywords gap and what they are drawing for ranking and what our business is missing. I will make a report sheet where I will place keywords search volume, how many people are searching, what is the difficulty level, what is the intent purpose behind, and it is GEO keywords or AEO keywords. There will be a clustering plan as well, and I will make a separate note or recommendation for this keyword. I follow something tools which are provided by Google Keyword Planner. Google auto suggested people also asked segment, and for better analyze I always use ChatGPT and SEMrush. The next plan will be simple. I will make a content clustering plan and I will decide which keywords will go through which categories. I can guarantee you that if your business has authority, I can rank a few keywords for 25 to 30 days. My strategy will be to find out zero search volume keywords, or this is not something that I will only work for Google. I will work from big LLM model which you're including ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot.